Back to my channel. Today we'll be playing Don't Press the Button 7. What? Oh. Nope. That's funny. There's nothing really to do in this map other than just walking around. I don't know why my character looks like that though. Ah! Where'd I go? Oop, press the button. Go to the red platform. Uh-oh. Run, run, run. I did it. Press the button. Oh, we're all really fast. Oh, I died. Dancing dogs! Yay! I want dancing dogs. How do I get you guys? Give me the dog. Oh. I'm gonna press the button. Yeah, got it. Tsunami. Tsunami. Was I the only one to live? Speed run. Uh-oh. This is gonna be really hard. We can do it. Wait. Dang it. I died. Go! Run fast, character. Yay! Aw. That was hard. Let's keep going. What? Watch out for meteorites. Uh-oh. No, always just stand on the button to avoid meteorites.
Come on, buddy. You lazy.
Yeah, got it. We're all flash again. No! Ugh. Why am I up in the box? I didn't even die. Bro. Can you let me out? Let me out. Let me out. Oh, thank gosh, guys. Whoa. Cars? But they don't need cars. This is really hard. Why does this keep on happening? Just let me leave this box. I don't want to be stuck in this box. This box is really annoying. And why do they always I know you guys can't hear it, but they always play music right after the round ends. And it's really annoying because it's always the same music. Oh, there they go playing it again. Tacos! Okay, it's playing some copyright song. So I really hope y'all can't hear this because it would get me copyrighted. So we can't play this song. But it's raining tacos. It's raining taquitos. But dang it. Now they're playing some even more annoying music. Please. We're going to play like a few more rounds and then I'm going to be done. Oh gosh, we got to watch out for the rocks. Ah! They came from that side too. Well, I didn't know that. I can't look at both sides. Oh well. Ah! That's not fair. Pressed it. Oh. Stay on the button. I'll never die. Well, I might, because I'm standing far away from the button. They're standing on it. Okay. I got it. Oh, no. No! No! Why do you always go after the person with the YouTube video? Well, I guess I'm going to end it here, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe hit that notification button. Yeah. Bell. Well, bye!